If you're trying to join the bloxfruits server on Discord, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you the correct way to join it step by step, so you can get into the community without confusion. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. And first, open Discord in your browser or the Discord app. If you're using a computer, on the computer, the easiest way is to go to Discord web so you can follow along quickly. Once Discord is open, look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a plus button, which is the add a server option. Go ahead and click that button. After clicking it, Discord will give you a few choices. What you want here is join a server. This is the option that lets you enter an invite link and join an existing community instead of creating your own server. Click join a server to continue. Now you'll see a box where you can paste an invite link. This is the most important part of the process. Carefully enter the official bloxfruits invite link into the box. The link you want is discord.gg/bloxfruits. Make sure it is typed correctly because even a small mistake can stop the invite from working. Once the link is pasted in, click join server. Discord will then connect you to the bloxfruits server, and after a moment you should be inside the community. From there, you may need to verify your account or read the server rules before you can access all the channels. That's completely normal, so just follow any instructions the server gives you after joining. If the invite doesn't work, double check that you used the right link and that you're logged into the correct Discord account. Sometimes invites can be invalid if they're mistyped or changed, so always make sure you're using the proper server link. If you're on mobile, the steps are basically the same. Open Discord, tap the server add button, choose join a server, paste the invite and confirm, and that's it. You've now learned how to join the bloxfruits server on Discord the correct way. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.